Greetings. My name is James Simigabi, and today I'll be reading a story called Yona the Disabled Boy by Judy Semigabi. Once upon a time, there was a man called Montana. Montana was a herdsman, and he had many children. One of Montana's sons was disabled. The disabled son was called Yona. Yona couldn't walk because his legs were crippled. Yona could only move around by crawling on the floor. Montana hated to see that one of his sons was disabled. He also hated Yona. He always called him weak because he had no strong bones in his legs. Sadly, Yona's mother died when he was still a baby. Yona stayed at home with his sisters and stepmothers while his brothers and father went into the field to feed the cattle. Yona's brothers and sisters looked down on him. They laughed at him, and they didn't care about him. They called him a witch. Time came and Montana got really sick. Everyone thought that he won't make it because of his dire illness. Before his death, Montana decided to share his riches, which was his cattle, amongst all his children. All his children got more than 10 cattle, while Montana only gave his disabled child, Yona, a skinny cow that was not well fed. Before Montana gave that cow to his disabled son, he told him that he is giving him a skinny cow which is too weak to feed itself, just like Yona. He asked Yona if he will be able to take care of himself and the skinny cow to make it fat. With lots of pain in his voice, the boy answered, "Yes, father, I'll look after that cow. What choice do I have? You only gave me one cow, which is very skinny, yet you gave my siblings many cows, which are healthy." When Montana died, Yona started crawling around, taking his skinny cow into the fields to feed. His siblings and fellow villagers laughed at Yona because of the way he crawled, and sometimes he would jump on the back of his skinny cow's back when he couldn't crawl anymore. Yona's cow started behaving like a real person. The cow loved Yona, and he would always follow Yona around. This cow would understand that Yona was tired. It would go down on the floor and allow Yona to climb on top of its back. Yona decided to give his cow a name. He named it Raya. Raya means friend in Hebrew. Yona's brothers and sisters built him a small hut near their father's house because they didn't want him to live in the same house with them. Yona would sit with Raya and sang songs for him. As Yona called around every day, taking his cow Raya to the fields, he would sing to and from the field. This is the song he loved to sing. "My father, Montana, said, 'My son, Yona the weak, will you make the skinny cow fatter?' 'Yes, father, I, Yona, will make the skinny cow fatter.' Then we crawl and we go on with Raya. The grass in the field will make Raya fatter." Unfortunately, there was a disease called mad cow disease, which attacked almost all cows in that village. Many people lost their cattle, including Yona's siblings. Only Yona's skinny cow survived that disease in the Montana family. Yona's family became very poor, and they all started looking for jobs around the village. Yona continued to look after his cow, Raya. One day, Yona called while singing as usual, taking his skinny cow, Raya, to the field. Yona met with a group of people in the field with lots of goods. They seemed to be going on a long journey, and they sat under a tree for some rest. When Yonah saw these people, he tapped on the tail of Raya. Every time Yonah tapped on Raya's tail, Raya would go down and let Yonah jump on its back. Yonah jumped on the back of Raya and continued to sing his song. The people listened to the words Yonah was singing. They looked and observed Yonah's disability. They felt sorry for Yonah. These people decided to give Yonah some of their goods. They escorted him to his father's compound, where he had a hut as a house. While escorting Yonah and his skinny cow to his home, they also decided to sing for Yonah. This is their song. Montana, Montana, Montana. Montana, Yonah's father gave him a skinny cow. Yonah, Montana's son can't walk. Yonah, Montana's son has to feed Raya. Raya, Yonah's cow is skinny. Raya, Yonah's cow will be fatter. Yonah, Montana's son will be richer. Yonah, Montana's son will be a leader. When they got to Yonah's hut, they were surprised that he has such a small hut where he lives with his cow. These people decided to build a bigger house for Yonah and his cow, Raya. Yonah became the richest person. Yonah became the richest person in that village. He was given servants to look after him and a wife to bear him children. Yonah was very happy, and his skinny cow, Raya, was slowly getting better and better. Yonah is now the king of that village, and all his brothers and sisters are working for him. That's the end of our story. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.